Hi, kids. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the letter O. The letter O makes the sound ah, oh. Now let's say things that begin with O. So another one. Orange. Ah, orange. Do you like to take orange? I see so many oranges. Orange. Or orange. Let's see another one. What bird is that? Ostrich. Uh, uh, ostrich. Can an ostrich fly? Oh no. Ostrich. Uh, uh, ostrich. What's that? Onion. Very good. Uh, uh, onion. Do you like onions in your food? Mm. Another one. On, off. On, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, so you don't play with the switch, but when the light goes on, we say on or on. And when it goes off, we say off, uh, uh, off. All right, let's go over more things that has the sound uh, off. Onion, uh, onion. Ostrich, uh, ostrich. Orange, uh, uh, orange. It could be the orange fruit or the color orange. Uh, orange. Octopus, uh, uh, octopus. Uh, octopus. Have you seen a live octopus before? Just like this one, deep down in the sea. Octopus. Now remember that in octopus we have the sound uh, uh, octopus. Uh, orange. Uh, ostrich. Uh, onion. On, off. On, off. Well done. Okay, now look around you. What can you see around you that begins with O? What do you see? Look around. Do you see anything? Octagon. Very good. Of the color orange. Well done. So now it is time to write the sound O. The sound O goes round and round and round, just like a circle. So you have the uppercase, which is also known as the capital letter, then the lowercase. O. Well done. Now let's go on. Have you written the sound O on your book? Very good. Now let's go on to identify the sound O. Find it. O. The letter O makes the sound O. Is it the first one, the second one, or the third? Yay! It is the middle one. Oh, very good. You got that right. Now let's go on to find the lowercase. Where is O? The letter O makes the sound O. Where is it? Yay! You got it again. O. Very good. The letter O makes the sound O. Now let's put the sound O here in the puzzle. Let's go. How many can you find? O. And another one. O. Another one. O. Another one. Oh, very good. How many sound O did you find? Let's count. One, two, three, four. Well done. Sound orange. Okay, now let's find the uppercase. That's the big O. Let's go. Up. Okay. Up. Mm-hmm. Up. And O. Very good. All right. Now let's look out for how many we found. One, two, three, four. Yay! Well done. Now it is time to look for pictures of things that begin with O. Okay, so what are the fruits here? I see mango, apple, orange. Which one begins with O? Which one? Which one? Is it or mango? No. Or apple? No. Orange! Yay! Orange. The letter O makes the sound O. Very good. Well done. Now let's go on to look for animals. See animals that begins with O. Okay, I see a dolphin, a whale, an octopus. Which one begins with O? Hmm? Is it a dolphin? A whale? No, no, no. A octopus! Yay! Octopus. Now there are other sea animals that begin with O. Can you remember any? Oyster! Very good. Okay, now let's look at some vegetables. Vegetables that begin with O. We have onion, red peppers, tomatoes. Which one begins with O? Which one? Which one? Onion. Very good. Onion. Very good. That's so smart of you. Okay. Now that you have learned the variety of things that begins with O, can you tell me or mention one thing you can remember that begins with O? Can you remember any? What do you remember that begins with O? Orange. Very good. Another one that begins with O. Octopus. Very good. And another one. Ostrich, onion, oyster, and so many more. All right. So I want you to grab your pen or pencil to draw any of these things or whatever you feel begins with O. You can also color your page orange. Remember to show it to mommy and daddy and send it to me. My number is right here, down somewhere there. Now don't forget to join us in our live online classes, book a session, and come and learn more about phonics. You're on your way to becoming a fluent reader. See you in the next video.